Hello and welcome to another Artful Bodger video. In today's video I'm going to talk to you and give you a review of this Voilamart rear-wheel drive e-bike conversion kit. Coming up next. Okay, so the reason that I thought it was worth making this video now is because I've had this bike actually for about 3 years and I'm actually just about to sell it. Not because I don't like the bike, I absolutely love it. It is so much fun, but I just need the space in my garage. And so before it goes, I thought it was worth just making a quick video about it. So how do you fit the kit? Well, it's not too difficult. I mean, if you're used to sort of basic bike maintenance, then you should be able to manage it. The main part of the kit is the rear wheel. It's actually a replacement rear wheel. So what you do, you remove your existing one and you pop this one in, which has got the motor in the middle there. You have a screen up here, which is controlling the whole thing. You also get new brake levers, which have micro switches in them. You get a little controller for your screen, and you have the optional twist throttle, which is here. The actual kit comes with a bag for you to put all your excess cables and your controller box in. I've actually replaced that with this, which is a separately bought plastic case for the controller box, and I've actually cut the cables shorter and resoldered them and actually made them waterproof, which brings me to one of the disadvantages of this kit, which is that as it comes out of the box, it isn't waterproof. So that could be an issue, I don't know. I basically redid all the connections, used heat shrink, which seemed to make them waterproof. Okay, so that's how you fit it. Let's take it for a quick spin. So the first thing to say is it is so much fun to ride. I've ridden e-bikes on the road before, 250 watt ones, and this is quite a different story. It is constantly wanting to pull away from you. I have to have the assistance on 2 or 3 because if I put it on 5, it's just a bit too scary for me. It certainly is fast enough. I would say it's comfortable, very comfortable at about 20 miles an hour with my weight, and I'm 100 kilos, so I'm not a light rider at all. And believe me, 20 miles an hour when you're riding off-road is definitely fast enough. Couple of gripes, tiny things. It will cut the motor out if you apply the brakes, which is obviously to save your brakes. When you do that, what comes up on the screen is error 2, which, you know, looks like there's a problem with your kit. There isn't. It's just basically what it tells you when it's cutting the motor out because of the brake. The other thing is that because this is actually pedal assist and throttle, that you can't use them at the same time. So if I'm pedaling and I have the throttle on, like this, if I now take the throttle off, it just takes a couple of seconds, there we go, for the pedal assist to kick in. It's a really, really small thing, but it's just slightly annoying, and I haven't seen it on other kits. If you're after a fun mountain bike, you can't really go wrong. So there you have it, a great fun bit of kit, and I would say there is no way that you could get a bike this fun to ride and this fast and this powerful for the money that I spent on the components, i.e. the kit, the battery and the donor bike itself. So if you're after something like that without spending a fortune, it's a really, really good option. It does involve a little bit of technical know-how, and I would say to get the best out of it, you do need to go into the menus on the computer here, and I've made a separate video on this. If you go to the link over here, you'll be able to see that video, and it will give you a few more little insights into how to get the best out of the bike. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.